Hey, hi there, viewers, subscribers, and otherwise. This is Bob. I lost Lou. Where's Lou? And there's Lou.
Good morning.
And we're at the Two Old Guys Garage. It is November 13th. We had a nice day at the episode 79 at the car show. So, in the meantime, since we got back from the show, Lou has been working diligently, cussing about the anti-roll sway bar. It's installed, and you can see it right there. Okay, this stuff. Now, at the moment, the rear end is at the bottom of its travel. So, what we're going to do next is we're going to put a jack under the rear end, and we're going to jack it up and check where the travel on this stuff goes. It was a real bitch to do because he had to use a right angle drill and tap the frame on the inside. Not a lot of room, and it was over the part of the square tubing where the weld is, which makes it harder to drill. But it's done. It's drilled and tapped. So with that, I'm going to pause for a second while Lou gets the jack under and starts jacking it up. We'll be back in a little bit. Bye-bye. Oh, what is this? Yeah, episode 80. Segment 1.
80 already yet.
Yeah. Okay, back in a bit. Hi, back after a short pause. The rear end has been jacked up to where the frame has come off of the jack stands, which means that this is now in the same position as if the car was on the ground.
Right.
And as you can see, this is tipped up a little bit. And what we want to do is we're going to shorten the connecting rods, those vertical rods, so that in this ride position, those arms are going to be about horizontal.
I'd be right about like yay.
So we're gonna put it back on the jack stands, take those two vertical rods out, and reduce them in length by what now, Lou? Half to 1
Okay,
inch?
they're gonna have to be about 4 inches long. That's what I thought.
Okay.
That's what I figured last time. Okay, I'm gonna watch it, Bob. I'm gonna drop the thing.
Yeah, wait. Don't be in a rush. Hang on just a second. I want to show one other thing here.
Okay, ready?
Hold on. We were able to take the panhard bar and swing it to the other side without having to modify it. Just mount it in back of its tabs instead of in front of its tabs, which gave us the clearance for the other side arm, the left side arm. Okay, go ahead, drop it. Okay, pausing here again. Okay, back. Instead of shortening the original tubing, we changed one of the hymens from male to female, so that it bolts together. Okay, it's starting to come off the lift, the jack's around, rather.
Oh, that's
Okay.
way off the. It's up all there.
What do you think?
Yeah, that'll work.
Okay, well, if we have to, we can test it like this. If we have to, we can always do something else, right? But let's see, that should pivot, that goes in. Yeah, I think I'd like it is a little more negative drop towards the rear than a positive.
Do what?
I think I like it leaning down rather than leaning up.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that won't hurt there.
Okay.
I think I'll just do that.
All right, so what's next? Going to tighten those up?
Yeah, that put some nuts and stuff on them. Tighten everything up.
All right. Okay, gonna pause again. Alright, back again. I don't know if I can see this one here. Yeah. Okay. Everything's installed and tightened down. Instead of shortening the tube and going through rethreading and all that crap, we changed one end to the female, left the other end as a male. So we don't have a turnbuckle action, but it's not really needed. So this is in. You can see that the panhard bar has been moved to the back side from the front side. And everything is, excuse me, this is all right. I'm under the ground, or under the ground, yeah, I'm on top of the ground, on the ground, whatever. And everything's in and bolted up, and instead of shortening the tubes that were threaded left and right for turnbuckle effect, we actually changed one end to a female hymen, which made it a lot less work, just bolted it together. So it's all in, bolted together. And the rear end is at the bottom of its travel, so we have a slightly negative tip down, which is probably a little better. So as this moves, it should go up and down, plenty of room. Again, panhard bar moved from the front side to the back side, so we're okay. Now we're gonna get up out from under the car, and we're gonna put the tires on and put it on the ground and see what happens, right? Yep. Hello, dog.
Well, it'll still rock a little bit.
Nah, I don't think it'll rock any. Not as heavy as that stuff is. Okay, pausing again. Stand by. Looks good. I didn't see any evidence of.
You're just fucking missing, Dad.
Looks good. How's it
Yeah, now
sound?
listen to this.